getting pretty confusing out here, wouldn't you agree? Every time I want to go to a restaurant or a place to eat, I'm having to research and find out if they're open, do I need to wear a mask or not, what's their order process, do they deliver? It can be really confusing. Food Report's back, and we're going to try and find out some answers for you because you're probably wondering the same thing. I can't think of any better place to start than Gibson's Donuts, so this morning we're going to go in and talk to Don Deweese and find out how they're handling the order process and see what all else is going on new at Gibson's.
We're open for to-go only. Obviously, to social distance, we can't have people sitting down inside the store. So people can come in, and we have these little donut labels on the floor to keep people 6 foot apart from each other. You can come in and order what you want, get out. We get you in and out very, very quick, very efficient because we don't have the table. We have curbside service for those who have underlying conditions or would rather not come in. So we will take them out to their car. When they pull up, they call and say, I'm parked in front of us, the liquor store, Garibaldi's. We take them right out. All of us wear gloves, all of us wear masks. We only have one person touching the money. Well, we're trying to go by the rules. If somebody walks in without a mask, we'll say, please get a mask, we'll give you one. If you don't have one, we take cash, credit cards, and if you're really hurting, I'll take an IOU. But we're open 24 hours a day. Just like we have, we've been very lucky. Our donut of the month for July is always key lime pie. So you take basically what a jelly donut is, but we put powdered sugar on the outside instead of glaze and fill it with key lime pie icing. Plus we have watermelon donuts. We take watermelon Kool-Aid, mix it in with the vanilla icing. It gives it a pink color and a watermelon taste. And it's always one of our very, very favorites. So we always do watermelon and key lime pie of the month of July.
Hey, Don's agreed to give away 10 dozen free donuts here at Gibson's. I've got the watermelon right here. Hey, check out this merch. These shirts he still has up here right now. Check out the back. Anyway, if you want a chance to win one of these free dozen, like and share the video, and be sure you're following both Food Report and Gibson's Donuts here on Facebook.